Citizen Cav here. I wanted to create this quick little intro. Honestly, it's not really an intro, it's just me saying I'm sorry for the video that you're about to watch, or at least the beginning of it. It is extremely shaky. As I was walking, my camera was just trying to zoom in and focus on just about everything that I walked past, so it's just all over the place. So you may want to just listen in for the beginning part and then start watching later on while it's more stable. But yeah, hope you liked the video. Shout out to Q from KickinItwitQ. Congratulations on being married, man. Congrats to hitting over 1,000 subscribers too, and being monetized, being a YouTube partner, man. You hit what all of us smaller YouTubers want to, our goals, what we want to do. So just want to say congrats to you, man. Congrats to me and CitizenRissa for tying the knot. And I hope you guys liked the video. And don't forget to like and subscribe, all right? All right, everyone. At the Texas State Fair 2019, I am with the beautiful, amazing, sexy CitizenRissa, or Mrs. CitizenRissa, I should say, my new bride. We got married yesterday. I'll put out the video soon. Today is just about us having fun. I'll do a little bit of this video for you guys, but honestly, most of this fair trip won't be filmed just because I want to hang out with my wife. So yeah, there's a giant tent to where you can like basically shop and buy a whole bunch of things, and like lots of knickknacks and stuff. Kind of like the French market from my bachelor party trip. Be sure to check out that video. But as you guys can see, there's just a sea of people out here. Texas State Fair is insane. You guys have no clue. Lots of fried foods. I mean, I heard something like a PB&J hot dog or something crazy. I can't remember what it was. But corn dogs, turkey legs, beer, wines. Nothing better than the Texas State Fair. Oh yeah, check out CitizenRissa's rings. Wait a minute, can you give me like 2 seconds so I can zoom in on this? Beautiful. Alright, I guess I can show you guys mine too real quick. Here they bring out all the new cars for 2020 and stuff like that, so you get to check out all those things too. The museums. All open too. All right, as I was saying, everyone, you can come out to the fair, and then there's all types of cars. This is one of the cars I wouldn't mind having later. The Alfa Romero. They're super legit, so clean. And now that we don't have to save for our wedding anymore, this can be on my list of to get items. If CitizenRissa allows me to get it, maybe one day. Can I? Okay, all right, yeah, never mind. I gotta start a little bit slower. Maybe I can get me a toy one or something like that, or maybe a motorcycle. I don't know, or a different motorcycle, I should say. But I like those. So I don't know if you guys know this, but it was Texas OU weekend. For those of you who don't live in Texas or Oklahoma, it's not as big deal. But yeah, so we'll host a Cotton Bowl here. But yeah, so it was pretty insane. You'll see a lot of Texas shirts and a lot of OU shirts here because it's a huge deal here. If y'all want to see prices, that is what the prices are here. It's not that bad, honestly. Food-wise, things are typically like 12 tickets, maybe 16 tickets. So I mean, that's like $8. I mean, it's $8 for like a corn dog and $6 for just regular nachos like this. But I mean, you're at the fair, so what do you expect? So this thing that we're walking up on is called Big Tex. It's a like 55-foot big man who is robotic, and he'll like talk and stuff to you and move around at times. It's a Texas staple. If you come to the state fair, you have to go check him out. So I'm gonna give you guys a little quick sneak peek of what he looks like. He may not move around, and I really don't feel like waiting for him to move. But yeah, Big Tex. Alright, so now we're headed to the Midway. Basically is nothing but like carnival games, just a long stretch of games and things that you can toss money at. There's a lot of losers, some winners. I am a winner at times. I don't know if I'm going to try it today, just because one, it costs a lot of money, and I don't feel like losing in front of my wife now. So yeah.
Well, then you're going to get a little prize.
It's a gigantic Ferris wheel out in the distance. As you can see, I mean, we're really far away, and it's huge from here. But nothing but like carnival things, rides and stuff on the other side. But yeah, guys, I might just cut the video out right here. I know it's kind of short and brief, but I really just want to, spend some time with CitizenRissa. So, as always, everyone, don't forget to do good, be good, and feel good. I'll catch you guys soon, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to keep a lookout for our wedding video. All right, bye.
One more player, one more racer. I got 3 players.
I'm not sure if I could try this type of thing. That happens here too. We are towards the tail end of where everything kind of like ends at. So yeah, that's a big horse. Yeah, I'm not sure why some people are going straight and some people are going to the side. I don't know. But yeah, lots of floats. I guess like there's a competition. I don't know. Yeah, where the main kickoff is, we kind of missed that. So as you can tell, it's like died down over here. Wow. I think Ronald. Yeah. Ronald McDonald is so creepy to me. You're looking like a Hit the Clown's cousin. You can. Live music in the wide garden. Oh yeah, you're going on YouTube, just to let you know, both of y'all. This is Trinice, CitizenRissa's maid of honor. This is her friend Crystal, bridesmaid. These two ladies are amazing. I am so weird and so blessed to have them in our lives. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, don't forget to do good, be good, and feel good. I'll catch you later.